In this tutorial, we are taking a look at two of our social plugins, one being Facebook Photo and the other one Facebook Posts. So I've already opened up one of my playlists and I will add a new slide, open up my social plugins and pick my Facebook Photo plugin. Now you can of course use any portion of the canvas for this content, or you can do as I will be doing. You can maximize and fit to your canvas. The first thing is selecting a page, and of course before even starting to set up your Facebook photo or post, you will have to be an administrator of that page. Selecting an album is pretty cool because you can actually pick whatever album you have in your Facebook account, meaning photos from the feed or any of the photo albums that you've created yourself. In our case, we'll go with the photos from the feed. You can add multiple columns. In my case, I'll stick with the 3 columns. I will though add a border, and we will give it maybe a blue so you can actually see the border. Then we have our update interval, which is preset at 10 seconds. We are lowering that to 3 seconds. Now, what this means is that every 3rd second our photos are going to flip. Next up, I will adjust my slide duration to 60 seconds, save that, and then let's hit the preview. We have our 3 columns, we have the border, and we are flipping these photos around every 3rd second. Now let's add another slide, and then instead of the Facebook photo, we will add the Facebook post in here. And just like with Facebook photo, you can have it take up a small portion of the canvas, or you can have it maximized like this. Again, we're selecting a page. We have entering transitions because in this case we are doing the posts, which is both a photo and maybe the likes and of course the text for that post. There are multiple you can pick from in here. Slide in from the right, slide in and up, slide in and down, and so forth. Let's go with bounce. The text font, of course, you can use your custom fonts and you can color it and make it fit your own layout and design. You can align it. You can zoom on the font. The like count or threshold is when do we show the likes for the post. Meaning if I put 10 here, then we're only displaying the likes if there are more than 10. In post layout, you have 4 options: normal, reverse, alternate, or random transition. I'm not going to show those in this tutorial, and I strongly recommend that you just try them out on your own. You can change the language and you can set your own update interval just as we did on the Facebook photo, and you can of course change the positioning. When you're done setting it up, we can hit preview. So as you can see, we have our photo on the right, we have our text on the left, a small Facebook logo in the top, the time, and if this had more than 10 likes, then you would also be seeing the like count.